Good morning to those of you that are having to take this test at home. I thought I would give you a little assistance on how to do questions 5 and 6. So I have an example test here. So it says, using the Lewis dots, show how the electrons in a reaction between magnesium and oxygen would be transferred and what ions would be created. So click here on Edit Background. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the text box, and then you're going to click just anywhere in here, and we're going to type in magnesium, and then you're going to hit a couple of spaces and you're going to put oxygen. Then you're going to come over here to this box where it says color, and you're just going to pick a color. I like purple. And then I'm going to click on the pencil for scribble. Magnesium, when I look at my periodic table, has 2 valence electrons. So I'm going to draw those in. Then I'm going to change colors. And oxygen, when I look at the periodic table, is in group 6. So it has 6 valence electrons. I'm going to draw those in. And now I just have to show the transfer. So I'm going to come back over here to where I had scribble. And I'm going to click on line. And I'm going to show the transfer of the electrons to magnesium. Change my color back to purple because those are the ones that were actually transferred. And that's it. That's what you're showing. You're showing how magnesium transfers its 2 valence electrons to the empty spots that oxygen has. Very simple to do. I gave you an example of a Lewis dot structure right here for phosphorus, just to kind of remind you that we're not drawing circles. We are just drawing dots. Okay. All right.